If you walk into any manufacturing plant in the world, you will see there three letters plastered on the walls: OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness. It is the ultimate manufacturing score. But I'm going to tell you the harsh truth of it. The traditional OEE is practically useless for preventing disasters. Why? Because it acts exactly like a rear view mirror. It's a historical report card that tells you why your machine broke, why you lost units, and why you lost money yesterday. By the time the number drops, the cash is already gone. Today, I am going to show you how AI is turning OEE from rear view mirror into windshield. Let us look at the classic math. OEE is calculated by multiplying your availability, performance, and quality. If a robotic welder breaks down for 2 hours, your availability drops. You lost 2 hours of production time. Your OEE score for the shift plummets. The manager gets mad, the engineers scramble to fix the welder, and everyone goes home stressed. The system is entirely reactive. You have to wait for the machine to literally bleed money before you do anything about it. See Predictive OEE. To fix this, we don't need better managers. We need anomaly detection. Machine learning algorithms don't wait for the machine to break. They feed on the raw sensor data, that is, motor current, heat, vibrations, etc. And the AI watches machine run perfectly for the weeks and establishes a baseline. It learns exactly what a normal looks like. And because AI processes data in milliseconds, it can spot a mathematical anomalies that a human engineer would never ever see. Imagine the robotic welder again. It hasn't broken. It's still producing perfect parts. But AI notices that the electrical current drawing into the motor has spiked by zero point 0.5 amperes and the internal temperature has risen up by 2 degrees. The machine is still running and your classic OE score is still perfect 100%. But the AI flags a massive red warning. It calculates that based on the exact anomaly and the motor will completely seized up in exactly 36 hours. This changes the fundamental business logic of the factory. Instead of the welder exploding mid shift and costing you $50,000 in lost production, the AI alerts the maintenance team on Tuesday. They walk up during a scheduled 15-minute lunch break, swap out a single $10 electrical relay, and turns the machine back on. The factory experiences absolute zero unplanned downtime. Your availability never drops. The AI didn't just measure the OE, it actively defended it. Predictive OE takes the guesswork out of the manufacturing. You stop reacting to disasters and you start fixing the futures. But what if the problem isn't the broken machine? What if the problem is terrible warehouse layout that is forcing your forklifts to drive extra 10 miles every day? Next, you will see how AI is playing Tetris with the factory floor, using reinforcement learning to design layouts that a human brain could never invent. I'm LeanSimCorp and I'll see you there.